CPIT 221 is a technical writing course taken by all students at FCIT. Irrespective of their major, they are supposed to take this course during the first semester of their study at FCIT. Being a skill-related course, in this course, students are asked to perform lots of activities in this course. Students have to write on a weekly basis. They have to write every week on a given topic. Being a course taken by many students, you will find that in this course there are lots of students available. Currently, there are more than 100 students in 8 sections in the male side of FCIT. So an instructor is supposed to grade a good number of submissions during a week. In order to assist the instructors in doing this task, here we have an auto grader system which goes into Blackboard, and you could see right now currently it is running. It is extracting information from the Blackboard. What the students have submitted are extracted into a JSON file. So you could see it goes on from one student to another, every submission, and reads and displays the name of the student, the date it was submitted, along with the information that is written by the student, the submission of the student themselves. By scrapping the Blackboard site, we are able to receive the student's submission on weekly writing, and the submissions are saved in our machine as a JSON file. So you could find here are the records of the student submissions. So they have, we have stored their name, student name, the date or the time at which they have submitted the weekly task, and also the content of what they have really typed in. From this document here, we have the data for all the students in the class who have submitted. Then we process this data, and we have a next generated JSON file. This JSON file contains the name of the students, the date, and the text. Along with it, it provides you much more details. Like it says what are the types of mistakes the students have in their documents, in their write-up, and what could be the corrections like, potential corrections. And the number of unique errors have also been identified. So for each student, you will find here their common mistakes or their mistakes in their write-up with potential corrections. Probably sometimes the corrections might be wrong as well. And you will have also the number of errors. Here we have unique errors, not number of errors, maybe because a student has the same error multiple times. Once you have this, the next step is to access these results, and you have to upload them back into the Blackboard. You could ask me, why did you do this? Why didn't you do a step like, you can just read, make the result, and update the Blackboard for each student at a time? The reason why we went into this process is because we can collect their write-up every task they have done. And in the later tasks, we compare the errors he had in the previous submission with the current submission. And if they are repeating the same set of errors again and again, we will cut down some grades from their 2 marks allocated for the specific weekly writing. So now from the grading center, the system is able to read the student's entry, and it's comparing with the existing data it already has, and then it can fill in all the comments for the student. Plus it can also enter the grades for the student, and then it goes to the next one. So we are able to read, in summary, we go and read the student submission from the Blackboard, then evaluate it using Python language, and then we do submit the outcome back into the Blackboard. I hope it helps as a grading support for CPIT 221 technical writing course. Thank you.